Hello and welcome to my full moon bath ritual. And I have taken out some special medicinal herbal plants because in today's full moon bath, I am attracting abundance. A lot of the plants that I'm using today are to create a great fortune. I have 1/4 of a cup of dried chamomile flowers. And chamomile flowers and also cinnamon sticks, I have 3, are said to improve the luck. I am using a 1/2 cup of red clover blossoms. And red clover blossom will make sure I never spend the last dollar of my wallet. What I'm trying to bring here are plants that synergetically, when they're working together, will bring prosperity. And when they're combined, they just symbolize good fortune. So in Asian tradition, the orange peel, and these are tangerines, I didn't have orange peels, so I feel that the color of the orange would be great to add for the abundance. And I also added 1/4 of a cup of dried rose petals, as I want to also be abundant in love for friends, family, life, and love for the work that I do, and to infuse all that love and abundance, right? To attract it into my life. I'm gonna be using the Kubera mudra, which is this mudra. You know how money, you're like this, money, 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 money. Well, the mudra, you use both hands and it's like this, or you could use the fingers outwards, but I prefer inward. And this, you sit down and meditate to attract abundance and serve the intentions, to serve the good of the world. I also have 34 ounces of filtered water. I am now adding the 34 ounces of water into my pan, as I want to heat up the water and put the botanicals and steep them for at least 20 minutes. The longer the better for this recipe, in order to draw out the cinnamon stick bark flavor out. I'm adding the tangerine peels, and I am also now adding the red clover blossom, the chamomile flowers, and the rose petals. I stir the ingredients together. As you can see, it's steeping and boiling. And I want this to be done for at least 20 minutes. It's a tea. We're creating a tea. Now, as that's waiting around, I am preparing myself a delicious cup of tea. This is a love tea that has organic rose petals and damania leaf and organic dry orange peels. And I am going to be drinking this tea while I am in my bath. It looks so pretty. I'm setting up the mood. So I am letting my little cup of tea steep, as I'm also steeping the herbal bath. And I'm gonna add some delicious pure honey from Ben's Sugar Shack. I love this honey. And I love that after the jar is used, I could recycle the jar to make either vinegar, herbal vinegars, or put some tinctures in it from my collections. I love the size and I love recycling. So now my tea is done, and now I'm gonna strain the herbal botanicals. I'm straining this and trying to take out as much of the juice from this beautiful beautiful bath recipe. I'm working on my intentions and removing negative beliefs about money as I attract more abundance into my life. Whether money is for educating myself, supporting important causes, and nurturing my loved ones, a little extra money gives me more freedom to pursue my passions. And now I am going to be adding 2 cups of Epsom salt into my bath water, as Epsom salts relieve sore muscles and aches from the body, and also salt is very powerful, purifying, and it's just so cleansing to clear your aura. I am also going to be adding the botanicals into the water. Watch how the water transforms from clear to like looks like pea water, but it's not. It's actually the beautiful botanical tea that I have created this recipe. And what I like to do to enhance my experience, to amplify the intention for this ritual, I'm going to be using the citrine crystals. I'm also going to be using flowers, as they represent abundance. And I'm going to be reflecting in my journal, what does abundance mean to me? What areas of my life feel abundant? In what areas of my life am I feeling lack or scarcity? How does this area of my life look and feel when I experience abundance? And I have the candle and incense and crystals and my cup of tea to be here with me in the Kubera Mudra, chanting and meditating. I hope you have a beautiful, blissful, and blessed day. Sat Nam.